Alright guys, I just ordered a very cool mouse. It's just very special, I guess you could say. And sorry for unboxing on the floor. I have probably no other place to unbox. But can you guess what it is? Razer Viper Mini! Hey! Oh, this thing's big. Finally, man. That's really cool. This is the first time I've ever bought a Razer product, by the way. I've never ever used any of these. I don't think I've ever used a Logitech mouse before. I have a Logitech webcam, but Razer? Nah, I haven't used it. This is the first time. I also got some papers, I guess, warranty papers and stuff. They gave me this got 2 years warranty, and yeah, I brought it for like 2,000 taka, which is how do I convert this? $20-$30, I guess, something. I don't know how to convert it, but yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna show you how it looks with my current mouse right here. This is the mouse I've been using for a year, and I started to have this cable issue where it sometimes disconnects and reconnects all the time. So this is why I bought this one. Look at the size though. Okay, I'm just gonna unbox it. Gonna have to cut it somehow, so you know. Okay, there's already like an instruction where you have to peel this tape off. So yeah, this came intact. That's really nice. It's really hard to open it. This is very difficult. There we go. I managed to open this bad boy, and let's go see it. Alright, sorry for going through random places, but here it is. For gamers, by gamers, right? Like this. Okay. This is recycled. Alright, how do I... just give me some time. Okay. So, I have to open it with one hand, which is kind of tough. And here it is. The Razer Viper Mini. Holy, this is insane. How do I open this? Try my best to figure this out. There we go. Look at this beauty. I'm probably gonna keep the box. There it is. Oh my god, it's so freaking light. It is so freaking light. What? It is so freaking light. Oh, it fits so nicely. What the heck? It's got a green color. That's cool. Okay, let me give you a comparison. The difference, size difference. Oh, damn! Look at this. Okay. That is insanely. Oh, baby. This fits so nicely. It's so light. This feels so heavy now. Oh. What the heck? Yeah, the Razer Viper is a little bigger. I think, just a little bigger. It's got this very cool looking belt. How do I open this belt? Alright, the cable is pretty cool. It's braided, which is nice. It got opened. It's like the thing that we would find on your smartwatch, just like that, the leather wrist. And this cable is huge, I think. Yeah. Holy. I'm sorry for not showing it in a proper environment, but yeah, this is it. This is Razer. Wow, that looks pretty freaking cool. Wow. The sound test. Wait, why is it made in China? I thought it was supposed to be made in Taiwan, right? I don't know. Okay, let's see what else is there on the box. You know, that's it. speed flex cable, optical switch, super lightweight, man. It's this super lightweight Chinese version, I think. But let's see what's in the box. Oh, there's something in the box. Ooh, for gamers. Razer Viper Mini. Oh, I got stickers. That is so freaking cool. Wow. Can I read that? Probably. Nope, nothing else. Alright, I've just put everything inside. And just gotta close this one, I guess. And I guess we'll go back and connect this mouse. Alright. Disconnected this mouse. Ooh. Look at the RGB. Wow, it's changing to green now. Wow, it's setting up something. Setting up Razer Viper Mini. That is so freaking cool. It changes color. Oh, wow. Wow, that's so freaking cool. I set up that thing, I guess. Is this gonna be it? Wait, it automatically got this. What the hell? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Congratulations, you now hold the competitive advantage. There's no turning back. Compatible devices with inter-device sync. I have no idea what I've read, but the driver is ready to go. The driver is ready to go, boys. What the hell is this? Razer gaming software made out of Razer Snaps Chroma Connect Cortex for optimizing the system's full potential to finding the best game price. No, I don't need that. Every video call is stream studio like quality. Wow, I don't need it. Thank you. Wow, that's cool. What the hell? I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do. Install. Your gaming. It's installing now. Very nice. And also, so I think the size is kind of okay, even though I have big hands. You know. And when I measured my hands on Razer, and submitted on Razer mouse, they said that they recommended me the Razer Dead Adder Essential. No, I mean the Razer Dead Adder V2 and the normal Razer Viper. But this one is small, but it still feels nice. I'll click on that. It's gonna take me somewhere, I don't know. Okay, I've just signed in. I'm just gonna click accept. Do you wish to transfer these settings? Okay, take a quick tour to check out the new and improved Razer Snaps. Wow, I don't have any Razer keyboard though. I only have the Razer Viper Mini. And wow. Cycle up stage, scroll. And yeah, that is basically the software, I think. That's pretty much it. I'm in love with this mouse. So yeah, it's gonna be it.